Hey guys, I'm Aaron Quine from Quine Racing and welcome to the DEI Garage. Today we help keep engine oil cool and prolong engine life and track time. Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. Anything you can do to help keep it cooler and reduce its temperature, do it. Because if it gets too hot, it will break down and then you'll break down. Because oil filters are nestled tight into the engines, they can easily soak in heat from catalytic converters, exhaust systems, or the road. A simple and cost-effective way to keep oil temps down are DEI oil filter shields. These heat-reflective self-adhesive shields are perfect to block radiant heat from soaking into the filter and keeping oil cool. They help keep oil cool and help prevent vehicles from going into limp mode because of high oil temps. Limp mode is a safety feature so you don't kill your engine because of oil breakdown, but it will kill your race weekend. Just apply a self-adhesive shield to the filter at every oil change. They can be easily trimmed with scissors to fit any filter. They come in packs of 3, so there's no need to go without a shield on every oil change. Let us know if you have any questions or comments about DEI's oil filter heat shields. And for more information on all DEI products, check out our website, designengineering.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product and installation videos, and follow us on all of our social media pages. So until next time, I'm Aaron, and remember to stay cool and comfortable with DEI heat and sound control products.